affordable.
All right, it no be new thing say ASUU don dey strike since the 14th of February 2022, and of course the student no fit take am again. Now why right now we dey for front of University of Lagos. This na like solidarity march from the students. Then they tell the federal government say ASUU must end strike. Say them don tire to dey house. We Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max TV, we dey live for the ground to cover and bring una wetin dey solve. So make we get to meet them.
Gbogbo oppressor, kó máa wọlé lọ. Gbogbo oppressor.
Okay, so real quick, I want to ask you this one. Nance talk say if federal government no listen to ASUU and sort out this once and for all, say they no go allow anybody where they campaign to come campaign. Shey na wetin this process they lead to?
Yes, one thing we say we don't dey very clear. I say these guys no dey, they know education no be their priority, and you can tell from even how the Labour Minister himself has split the 100 million naira from. It is a detachment from the reality. It is a detachment from what we are feeling. And so if that comes up as a demand, that neither of the PDP or the APC will go ahead, because they all caused all of these strikes. It is not a new thing. It has started since the days, in fact, since 1980.
A vex, so with a vex, because federal government thought say they don't know say ASUU dey on strike. For your own country, you go thought say ASUU, you don't know say ASUU dey on strike. Imagine that kind of thing now. We dey house now almost 3 months because ASUU dey on strike. We are tired of staying at home. All we want is ASUU to come back to their classes, so lecturers to come back to their class so we can resume our classes. Imagine I'm in 300 level. Since 2018, I've gained admission into the university. First semester, 300 level. When am I going to graduate?
The government should please, because this is a peaceful protest. What is it? Government should please and address the issue before things actually get out of hand. As you can see, this is just a peaceful protest. No fighting, there's no blockage of roads. This is just a peaceful process. So the government should please and address the issue.
I gained admission in 2018. My course is a 5-year course. Literally, I'm already spending 6 to 7 years. My graduation date is supposed to be next year. But at this point, it's looking like 2024 or 2025, which is not meant to be. Even when you want to get employed, they look at a certain age limit before you can be employed. If everybody is 30, is that who will be employed? Nobody will be employed, which is not nice. Most of them that are there in the federal government, they're staying in their house comfortably. Their children are studying abroad or in a school where they are not going on strike, and it is not fair.
𝗵𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗂, the Minister for State and Education, the man just said ASUU are on serious. That's why we are on strike. NIDT technology, we don't have technology here in Unilag. Here is even better. Go to Uniben, go to Sanfara, go to other universities. 𝗵𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗂 has bought from 100 million. Ngige has bought from 100 million. Yet we are here, we are on strike. They wanted to pass a bill that those who are in the state, their children should be in public university. It does not pass the day of the light. They said no, absolutely no for that bill. Now here, we are struggling. I'm supposed to graduate this year, probably May or June. I'm still in year 3 first semester. My ID card has graduated. I'm here struggling in year 3 first semester.
The 𝗊𝗶𝗶𝗂, the reason why we still there outside right now, we never start. This one where you see no be anything at all. We just here now. Say they don't extend that thing, even the strike by 12 weeks. No future for us.
No, we are not sponsored by anybody. No, we are not hungry people. We are sponsored out of a genuine desire.
As a student, because I'm not from a rich home, so I shouldn't have the right to go to school. Now, it will look more like the same thing, like with the secondary school sector, whereby private school are now rampant in the secondary school. Now, it will get to a time whereby Nigerian universities will only be for the rich. That is for the private student, for the rich student only. It will be more of a private university, not government university. We are tired. They added another 12 weeks to the 80-something days we had at home. I have what I'm doing, but I need to be here to speak out because I'm tired. We are all tired.
Even my papa go tell me story, say, then Oyinbo people they come our school, our universities, they come, they learn with us. They go sit down with, even they get Oyinbo lectures. Say now everybody they come learn. But now the opposite. Everybody they run. Even my friends, when they give them admission, even for Liberia, for Libya, for Ghana, they run, they come out. Because our education system now nonsense. Now yama.
A course of how many years? 4 years. This is the 5th year. Almost 6th year. This is how we're going to be doing. We are tired. All their children are in private universities. We are here suffering. And they refuse to even allow us to have this in peace. It is enough. enough is enough.
Nigeria dey drain person. Now we come talk say we come study. Now our 4 years no fit be 4 years. Why? Wetin happen? But we dey hear say some people go dey buy ticket 100 million. And as before them born my papa, before them born my mama, ASUU strike don dey. Wetin happen? Me, nothing concern me. Nothing even concern me. Whether na federal government get issue or na ASUU get issue. I know say after God for a particular nation, na federal government still get power pass.
Oh yes, my people, as Wazobia TV and of course Wazobia Mass TV where we be, we don't dey on ground since with them, don't match with them, we don't understand them, we don't talk to them, and of course now don't see say them no they appear at all. Them say no be anybody sponsor them or say me they protest, so now they just organize so. And as federal as ASUU don't come out and say they don't end the warning strike, they don't start the main one now. Say them too, say this one a warning protest. Say them too, they go block everywhere. Nobody go do anything. They go shut down activities until federal government and ASUU listen to them. Well, now what you don't bring common, I don't want to be that. As the strike and protest they continue, they come out like this, they join them to bring in our waiting they solve. Anyways, now Wazobia TV package, now be this one.